What I'd like to share with you is the following lesson: how to divide polynomials using synthetic division. And just a reminder, there are some vocabulary words that I want to make sure that you understand that we're using: factor, polynomials, binomials, remainder, and division. Also, we have coefficients. And these are what we call the coefficients. These are coefficients. And this is a binomial. Since there's two terms. That's another word, terms. So we have this polynomial. We have this polynomial divided by this binomial. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use synthetic division to divide these two polynomials. What you have to do first is you have x minus 2 is equal to 0. You have to solve for x. So you're going to add 2 to both sides. So we have x equal 2. So in the process of synthetic division, that's going to go in the corner. We have x equal 2. And then what you're going to have to do now is you're going to have to list the coefficients for the first polynomial, which is this one here. So we have 3. We have negative 7. We have 9. And we have negative 14. What you also have to check is if the powers are in descending order. We have 3, 2, 1. And you see that they're in descending order? That's good. If there was one that was missing, then we'd have to account for that. So now we have the 2 in the corner. We have 3, negative 7, 9, and negative 14. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to bring down the 3. And then the 2 and the 3 you're going to have to multiply. 2 times 3 gives you 6. Negative 7 plus 6 gives you negative 1. And then we have 2 times negative 1, which gives you negative 2. So we have 9 minus 2 gives you 7. And then we have 2 times 7, which is 14. Negative 14 plus 14 is 0. This space here is reserved for the remainder. You notice that the power or the degree was 3. Therefore, this one will go down 1 degree. So we're going to start with writing the new polynomial. We have 3x squared minus x plus 7. Therefore, 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 9x minus 14 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 3x squared minus x plus 7. That will be what is left when you divide those two polynomials. And we notice that the remainder is 0. Therefore, this x minus 2 is a factor. Is a factor of this polynomial. So just to review, we use synthetic division to divide 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 9x minus 14 divided by x minus 2. What you have to do first is you have to solve for x. So you have x equal 2. You put the 2 in the corner, and then you list the coefficients. You bring down the 3. You multiply 2 times 3, which gives you 6. You're going to subtract or add these two numbers here. So you have negative 1. Once again, you repeat the process. 2 times negative 1 gives you negative 2. 9 plus negative 2, or 9 minus 2 gives you 7. 2 times 7 gives you 14. Negative 14 plus 14 gives you 0. Since the remainder is 0, we know that x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial.